If you need to add a credit card to your Namecheap account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a credit card in Namecheap step by step so you can update your billing information quickly and keep your services running smoothly. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so there's no confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, go ahead and log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your dashboard where you can manage your domains, hosting, and billing settings. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click on Profile. After that, select Billing. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your payment and invoice-related settings. Now that you're in the billing section, look for the Payment Cards area. This is the section where you can add, edit, or manage the cards linked to your account. Once you find it, click Add New. Namecheap will then open a form where you can enter your new card details. At this point, carefully type in your card number. Make sure every digit is entered correctly because even one small mistake can cause the payment method to fail. Next, enter the expiration date exactly as shown on your card, then fill in the CVV security code. After that, add the card name, which is usually the name printed on the card or the billing label you want to use for it. Then, move on to the billing address section. This part is important because your card must match the correct billing information on file. Enter your billing address accurately, including your street, city, state or region, postal code, and country if required. Taking a moment to double-check this information can save you from payment errors later. Once everything is filled out, review all of the details one more time. If the card number, expiration date, CVV, card name, and billing address are all correct, click Save Changes. Namecheap will then store your new payment card in your account, and you'll be ready to use it for future purchases, renewals, or billing updates. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card to your Namecheap account. It only takes a minute once you know where to go, and now you can manage your payments with confidence. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.